Statue of Unity. The roads what they have made to go from Vadodara to this place, it is just Makhan Sadak. We are super excited to see what they have actually made. A symbol of unity, proud moment for India. They have inaugurated this statue just 4 days back on 31st of October. So let's go and check out how beautiful they have made the statue. Challe oye!
Statue of Unity is an ambitious project, a brainchild of our present Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, rooted when he was then Chief Minister of the state Gujarat. It is world's tallest, that is 182 meter high, fastest, made in just 33 months, which is a world record, and strongest as it can withstand an earthquake of 6.5 Richter scale and winds up to 180 kilometers per hour. Made on the bank of river Narmada, a wall of unity, Valley of Flowers is also made along with the statue. This statue looks stunningly beautiful, even several kilometers far away from the place. The statue was sculpted by Padma Bhushan awardee Ramvanji Sutar, a 93-year-old Indian who has sculpted many statues in India and around the world, like Russia, Italy, England, Malaysia and France.
So right now we have reached the Tourist Information Center of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel statue. Behind me you can see there are the windows to purchase the tickets. So we have got the tickets for the Unity statue, which is a kind of a package actually. For adults, they are charging 350 rupees per person. Below 3 years, it is free. 3 to 15 years children, they are charging 200 rupees only. In this package, you can go inside the Unity statue also. One thing more, there is a ticket for 150 also, but you won't be able to get inside the statue. So there is a bus ticket also, for which they are charging rupees 30 per person. This bus will take you from this place, from Tourist Information Center to the statue. And one thing more, that you have to park your vehicle in front of this Tourist Information Center. Although the parking is still under construction, but still there is ample amount of parking available. So let's go and check out Statue of Unity only on Challe Oye! So as you can see behind me, today is Sunday and this place is actually full of tourists. There are n number of cars, motorbikes, buses. People have come from n number of places to see Statue of Unity. Maybe this is the first weekend or the first Sunday after the inauguration. Statue of Unity.
Wall of Unity was made up of rammed earth, which was donated by farmers as a part of countrywide campaign for Statue of Unity from around 1,69,000 villages. They donated around 129 tons of iron implements for building up the statue. Special arrangements like AC cafeteria, public conveniences, walking travelators, escalators have been made for the public ease. both just stood in front of the statue, awestruck and also in pride. Excelling in so many things, this monument gave us another sense of pride of being an Indian.
Standing at the lift lobbies. There are two lift lobbies. One is on the right side of me and one is at the back.
These lifts take you up to a viewing gallery at 193 meter high from the foundation level, for which it takes less than 30 seconds in total to reach 400 feet to the core of the statue. Believe my words, the view from these two viewing galleries is so beautiful that you can spend hours watching Narmada Valley. Open all days a week from 9 am to 6 pm, the viewing galleries give you the best view during the evening time. Below the statue, a huge gallery and a theatre is made, showcasing the life history events and contributions of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel in uniting India during the period of independence. If you like my work, do subscribe to my channel. Comment, share and like. And yes, do invite me to your city so that we can roam around in your city and cover India in 4K. And also do check out the huge metal face of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel kept near the exit gates. Indeed, this mammoth statue is the reminder of India's power, unity, vision and excellence. Ek Bharat, Shresth Bharat. Jai Hind.